Oh, okay, what's up, guys? This is Cody196 here. Hold on one second. Let me fix something. Give me 1 second. I gotta fix something real quick. Okay, so a lot of people have been asking me how to install the mod that I've been working on for GTA 5, and this mod is called for super low PCs. Or GTA 5 for super low PCs. I just released I just updated it last night to the final version. As far as for now, anyways. If people start reporting problems and stuff or bugs that still need fixing, then I'll need to do hot fixes for them pretty much. But I'm pretty much done with adding everything that needs to be added to improve FPS. So the tutorial on how to install it. Alright, so I got my GTA 5 files. It's all the files I've been editing for GTA 5 and some files I saved, like save that I have downloaded and stuff. So this is what you'll download right here. GTA 5 for super low PCs, FPS lag patch. It's 147 kilobytes. You should be able to download it within 1 second at 147 kilobits a second. So it's not really a big of a file. You open that up. First thing you surely want to do is to read the README. It's got some good info and basic instructions on how to install it. So first thing you need to do is you need to download, if you don't have it already, you need to download the latest version of OpenIV. This is a tool that can be used to open the RPF archives. Go to OpenIV.com. Download now OpenIV 2.6.3. And if it says translate it to English, then translate it to English so you can understand it. But anyways, that's the first step you want to take. Whoops, I closed out the README. You're going to want to run OpenIV, which I'm going to show you now. Okay, so before we open OpenIV, we can start off by putting settings.xml in our documents, Rockstar Games GTA V. And I got settings right there, so what we do is we open up documents, scroll down to Rockstar Games, click GTA V, and then normally there's usually already a settings.xml, you replace it. Usually it gets placed there when you first launch the game or change the settings. So you want to replace that with this. I already did pretty much. I just also update crap. Whoops. Okay, yep. So the next thing you want to do is you want to extract the update folder to your desktop or something. Like this. So let's extract it to the desktop, because we cannot access the files inside the zip archive with OpenIV, and that can be used to replace. So now we OpenIV. Be sure you run as administrator, and if you want it to automatically run as administrator, just right click it, go to properties, compatibility, and make sure this is checked. Privilege Revel, run this program as administrator. Click OK. You're all set. I don't have it set to, it didn't give me any notification on to run as administrator because I have UAC off, which is user account control settings. Okay, so you click Grand Theft Auto 5 for Windows. Oh, I gotta download an update. So we'll wait for my update to finish. Okay, now it's updating. Now let's try this. Yep, starting loading in content. So whatever you do, do not open and replace files in common.rpf because it'll just re-update the game when you launch it. In the launcher, it'll update the game and it'll just rewrite it. What you want to do is you want to open update and open up update.rpf. Go to common, data, and you need to replace any of the files that are in the data directory. Then actually I'll show you here. It's easier to just click this plus button, add new file. If there's already the same file name, it'll just overwrite it for you, so you don't have to replace each individual one. So where is it? Whoops. There it is. Update.rpf, common, data. So all these files right here, you're going to want to add to this, like that. And now we're going to open up time cycle folder. And now we're going to add the files from the time cycle folder here, which are these. These have the far clip distances and stuff. The only one that, these three right here are pretty much just far clip and fog changed. This right here has pretty much most shaders disabled, and such as reflection, sky shaders and stuff. You still see the clouds though, but yeah. You're gonna want to add all of these to here, like so. And you don't have to rebuild it, by the way. I figured that out. I used to always rebuild each time, but you don't have to now. You can just simply rewrite it the second you put it in. Okay, so the next thing, I think levels. Let me check. Materials levels, yep. With levels, you gotta replace generic or levels, GTA 5. Now this right here, these a lot of people have been asking me this. In the levels GTA 5, a lot of people have been saying there's no generic folder in here or props folder. Basically, because like those folders are like in common.rpf. Some files that are in common.rpf that are not in update.rpf, you can just simply transfer them to the update.rpf from common.rpf. For example, say maybe if I'm trying to remember which ones are not in update.rpf. There's quite a few actually. Let's go to levels, GTA 5. There we go. We'll use water.xml as an example, which I'm sure y'all know what the tsunami mod is, plus no water mod as well. I found out that you can, this file is not in the levels folder in update.rpf, but I figured out that when you add it to the folder, it's got to be in the same exact path, otherwise it won't read it. If you add it right here, it actually reads it, and it doesn't update the game either, because it's the update, of course. So hopefully that makes sense to you guys. Okay, so you're gonna want to replace this. Since it's only just a single file, you can just simply right click and click replace. Go to materials, procedural.meta. Go back. Now we go to levels. And now the generic folder. A lot of people have been saying about this. There's no generic folder in there. What you do is you right click, like right over here or something, or don't right click on any of these, just right click in the blank space, go to new, click folder, and it'll ask you to create new folder. You type in the name generic. It has to be exactly like that, no capitals. I don't know if that's case sensitive, but just in case, it's probably you'd keep it lowercase. Type generic. Since I already got it there, I'm not gonna do it. And then once the folder's created, you open it up, and then you add a new file, which is gonna be the proc object.rpf. From here, like so, and that's pretty much it. Let me just double check, make sure I got everything. Yep, that's it. Of the mod. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you need any help, just let me know and I'll try my best to support. And hopefully you get better FPS if the mod works. It did for me. I was able to record a maximum of 40 FPS last night with Fraps after the far clip distance add-on and the resolution add-on I added to the last night's update. So you can just close it out. You don't have, there's no save option or anything for it. It automatically saves it the second you overwrite it. And you just open up your game and it should launch. Oh, and one more thing. If you want to enable, in order to change the weather and stuff, you're gonna want to get this mod. I'll provide a link in the description for you to the Simple Trainer for GTA 5 mod. It's the same. It's basically the same exact as the GTA 4 Simple Native Trainer. Same exact replica and everything, as you probably can tell. It's got options, car options, and all that. It's all in the same spot, pretty much. Most of it is. A lot of videos of it. Yep, see. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see y'all later. And hope you enjoy my mod. Cody196 Productions, signing off.